$500 payment here this morning. Got a $500 payment again this morning. And this is completely on auto.
And made a profit within 7 days. Unheard of in the online business.
Finally, I'm making money online. It's incredible.
Within 24 hours of me joining, I had my very first sale and over $7,000 my very first month.
In my first week, I made my first sale. Like I said, this is the real deal.
And I've never made sales that quick in any other business. So,
all I had to do was go into the back office, go through the training and create a plan and implement it. It was easy to do. And within a couple of days, I had people signing up and money was coming into my bank account. And that's a great feeling.
If you're not making money online right now, or if you need to make money online right now, we're going to show you the quickest, easiest, and most affordable way to set up and launch your very own automated business to start making money online right now. Like Virginia from California, who made $500 in just 2 days. Miranda in West Australia made $500 within 9 days of joining. Wallace from Arizona earned $2,100 in 1 month. Don from California made $600 in just 2 days after signing up. And Sam in the UK made his very first online sale ever within 24 hours of joining. Shondell from Tennessee made $500 also within 24 hours. There's Allison from Florida, $500 in 5 days. Ruth from North Carolina, $500 in just 2 days. And Don from Maine, who finally made his first online sale after many failures with other systems. And the list goes on.
1 hour into joining Lucius, and it has changed everything about the way I look at online marketing.